A lifetime of commitment, a singular focus on service. In healthcare, we think of treatment and cure. But Dr. Rita Kalra's 3 decades of service has been defined by the expertise required for crisis and resource administration. Excellence that earned her hospital a National Public Sector Accreditation. Proof of how well she manages with resources and navigates crises.
When you are working in healthcare, the first thing that matters is the care of the health. Health in all forms. That forms the health of the society. This conviction is the foundation of my life. मेरा प्रोफेशन तो हेल्थ से रिलेटेड ही था. आई नीडेड अ बिगर प्लेटफॉर्म एंड ये अपॉर्चुनिटी मुझे रोटरी से मिली.
She is a tireless problem solver who believes service means showing up where the need is greatest, whether for vocational skilling or community health.
अवेयर होना, अंडरस्टैंड होने का टाइम निकल गया. इट इज 120 years now. Rotary has to be included so that we have social awakening.
Her dedication to public safety was absolute during the COVID-19 pandemic, quickly setting up specialized wards and testing facilities.
Illiteracy है या health issues हैं. We want to take such projects so that they leave a lasting impact.
That impact validated by recognition like the Helen Keller Award and Governor's felicitations is the reminder that we are always on the right path. Dr. Rita Kalra's election is a momentous achievement for District 3080. For more than 2 decades, our district has awaited a woman's leadership at the helm.
It is about integrity, it is about our values, empathy, which happens to be the strength of women.
This historic transition marks the change from calling the spouse the First Lady to proudly welcoming our first gentleman, Dr. Sanjay Kalra.
बिकॉज मोस्टली डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर मेन होते हैं तो उनके पार्टनर को फर्स्ट लेडी बोला जाता है. मतलब दे आर द फर्स्ट कपल ऑफ द डिस्ट्रिक्ट. तो अब उनको गवर्नर पति का नया डेजिग्नेशन मिला है.
Through various projects executed successfully in the last decade across District 3080, her professional conviction has been translated into vital community programs.
मेरा विजन में वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट है एंड एम्पावरमेंट थ्रू इंक्लूजन है.
The conviction for service starts at home. Dr. Rita Kalra's journey is supported by her partner, Dr. Sanjay Kalra, who serves as the first gentleman. A testament to their shared passion for Rotary.
डॉक्टर साहब ने पहले ही 2000 में रोटरी ज्वाइन किया था. उनको भी बहुत पैशन था सोशल सर्विस के लिए. तो डॉक्टर साहब ने मेरे लिए कैंप्स लगाने शुरू करे जहाँ भी मैं बोलती थी. उसके अलावा दोनों बच्चों ने भी बहुत सपोर्ट किया. मैं तो यही कहूँगी कि रोटरी हैज़ बिकम अ वे ऑफ लाइफ फॉर बोथ ऑफ अस.
This is a family of service. They stand together as major donors, and their children help carry forward the legacy of contribution and excellence. Drawing from this strong foundation, Dr. Rita Kalra brings a global vision. From executing over 5 global grants to connecting with leaders at 10 RI conventions.
My promise is to take everyone along together. By supporting our Rotary family first, we ensure our service is sustainable, strong, and truly beneficial, strengthening the next generation of leadership.
This is the leadership of Dr. Rita Kalra. A life of conviction, measured by the Rotary 4-way test.
Of all the things we think, say, or do,
her every action is weighed against these 4 simple principles. First, is it the truth?
ट्रुथ से ना ह्यूमिलिटी आती है.
Her life of transparent service is the answer.
It will always lead you to success.
Second, is it fair to all concerned? Her work in public health ensures equal benefit for all.
Everybody has to get an opportunity.
Third, will it build goodwill and better friendships? And fourth, will it be beneficial to all concerned?
It will definitely be beneficial to all concerned and it will build goodwill and better friendships.
Her leadership promotes collaboration.
इन बातों का ज़रूर ध्यान रखना चाहिए कि हम किसी को फ़ायदा देने में कुछ लोगों का नुकसान ना कर दें.
Her every decision is driven by collective welfare.
These acts of kindness will one day come back to us and make our journey soulful and purposeful.
Dr. Rita Kalra, a life of conviction, built for service. DG Elect 2026-27.